All right, guys, I just got my ticket here. We have to run across the street and grab some, looks like some finger joint, 14 footers, 4 of them. And then I have a couple locks here, but I believe this stuff is for 2 different jobs. I gotta call my uncle and make sure, but they put it all on one ticket. So we're gonna have to let our secretary know that it's not all for the same job. That way the customer doesn't get billed for it when it's not for them. But we got to run across the street, grab the trim, and then we are hitting the road heading down to drop this stuff off. What's up, man?
What's up, man? Stoll-N?
Yep. All right, you too. All right, guys, I just dropped the trim in here. As you can tell, there is quite a bit of progress done in here. Trim is on, sheetrock, spackle, paint, flooring is in, Durarock in the shower. It looks like they got the tile here ready to be tiled. So a lot of nice progress. Doors are hung everywhere. So I had to drop a couple pieces of trim. I picked up 4 pieces. Let's see these. Closet doors. Nice. As the doors all slide together. Well, actually these 2 will hit each other, but you get pretty much all 3 sections to open up. So it is pretty nice, whatever section you need to get into. Flooring looks great. And also cabinets in here in this little kitchen area. So this job is coming along very nice. Time to get out of here, head to the other job and drop off the doorknobs that I picked up. All right, guys, I just got to this other job and there is quite a bit of progress here as well. The floor is in, trim is on, paint is done. The kitchen cabinets are all hung. These are very nice cabinets. They look super good in here. Obviously countertop and stove, the hood, stuff like that still needs to be done. These are the knobs I just dropped off here. These are the old ones. You can see they have like a little circle ball style thing on the end, and these are what they were supposed to be, just the flat handle. So stop them out. I got to take these with me to return them, but I'll show you guys around in here real quick. Doors are on. You can see this is the style that I just picked up right there. Looks like the appliances are here. No fridge. This is the oven. So need to get a fridge in here. Take a look in the bedrooms and stuff. All the trim came out super nice. We've been doing this style trim a lot, just the flat 1x4, obviously ripped down here to fit inside the walls, but we've been doing that a lot, 1x6 on the base all around. So it's really up to the customer what trim they want to use. Nice ceiling fan and light combo in here. Pull down for your attic staircase. Little closet in here. Little boiler room. Washer and dryer are gonna go over there. And then this bathroom came out super nice. Big tile pieces on all the walls and the floor, toilet's in, shower is built right into the corner here, super nice, tiled all around. And then you have a tub here and your vanity here. Nice little light up here as well. So this bathroom is very nice. I love the look of the big tile. It came out very, very nice. But that is gonna wrap it up for this one. I'm about to head in my truck and head on up to the new job that we've been on. I just had to come down here to drop these materials off so that things could get buttoned up here. But if there's anything on any of these jobs that you guys want to see or know about, leave a comment down below and I'll either reply to your comment or I can make a video on it sometime. But that is going to wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.